شوف تيون رأس سبورن إيش عشان أو هولي وبعلم تبعتي أشرب أنا زمان زكوي تشوكوتي كله يوسف سنوي تعلولني ما دي أني جزايونا وقلت يا جلدو يقولتي أبا هابي كله أشرب أنا بعلم تبعتي تشوكوتي and like let me just tell you قلتي بابين سامبي ساماديني and omunye wayezovumela phezulu and le mali yangithekisona it's not like ngangithengiswa into engayiboni bafika nayo igcwele ibhokisi istekhiwe layo hundreds of thousand actually it was 10 million ngubhekile uthi okay nang 10 million chwayeka lento thasa de marhambe uhlala nengane zakho but you know what don't want money all I want ukuthi ilizwe lelungiseke. Some of people today are saying, oh, awunamanga. Bakhona zingane ukuthi ofakazi ababekhona kwenzeka lokho. It's not like uphawula umthakathi ukhulumele emoyeni bakhona ofakazi. The question is bangaka ababengakwazi ukunqaba u10 million. Ungabe u10 million for abantu ongabazi ungazi uhlangane nabo. Abanye futhi abangenandaba nalento eyenzakalayo ezweni. So, phathi uma wazalwa uyilida ayikho into ongayenza. Kufana nobizo fana nomngoma but anyway anizwe
I was offered 10 million rand on the table. Not to go to, they said they're going to transfer it in an account. It was there in a black box. They said, yes, 10 million, stop this. I said to them, take this money, go to Hillbrow, renovate Hillbrow. I was offered 10 million.